While the search for a longevity solution usually points to a laboratory, the most effective tool for extending lifespan is actually found in the bedroom. This data visualization compares the mortality rates of two distinct groups. People who have sex once a week live 49% longer than those who only have sex once a year. We are observing a biological mandate. Consistent physical intimacy is a requirement for the maintenance of our complex systems. For men, the data is even more specific. For every 100 orgasms a man experiences, his life expectancy trends upward by 13%. We are hardwired to thrive on physical connection. Our physiology depends on intimacy to remain functional. Modern life has actively hijacked these biological systems. The relentless stress of constant connectivity serves as a silent killer of our natural drive. Most people assume they can simply push through a chronic sleep deficit of 5 hours a night without suffering a systemic breakdown. This graph tracks the hormonal impact of that deficit. Over just 1 week of 5-hour sleep nights, testosterone plunges by 15%. To put that in perspective, a 15% drop is the hormonal equivalent of aging your body by an entire decade. Ignoring the body's requirement for recovery dismantles the foundation of your health and begins to degrade the entire system. Millions of people attempt to solve this degradation with a shortcut. They search for a magic pill to restore a drive that their lifestyle has destroyed. Human physiology does not reward these shortcuts. Restoring your vitality requires direct physical action, not a temporary chemical fix. This comparative chart shows that 150 minutes of moderate cardiovascular exercise a week matches the exact improvement in sexual function provided by a prescription for Viagra. Physical movement serves as medicine. It conditions the heart to drive blood flow more efficiently while rebuilding the structural health of your entire vasculature. You cannot outsource your vitality to a pharmacy. It is reclaimed only through the work of moving your body. There is a hidden correlation in longevity data that reveals why sexual health is the most accurate predictor of your overall lifespan. The vascular health required for reproductive function is identical to the health required by your heart and brain. A failure in one is the earliest detectable sign of failure in the others. The data shows that men with poor semen parameters do not just face fertility issues, they have significantly higher rates of mortality. This scatterplot tracks that link. The mortality risk is dose-dependent, meaning the projected age of death follows that decline in semen quality. A man's sperm count is not just about reproduction. It is a biological meter showing exactly how much healthy life he has left. Your sexual health serves as the blueprint for your physical destiny. To protect that blueprint, you must secure 3 things: deep sleep, consistent cardiovascular movement, and real physical connection. You hold the power over your own biological timeline. Stop outsourcing your vitality. Take absolute control of your biology before it takes control of you.